And we're live. How is everyone today? I've moved my microphone around, so let me know if the audio is okay, and hopefully it doesn't fall on me. But we'll see how it goes. Let me just get the link out to a few people. What is the plan for the weekend? Anything interesting coming up? We're still locked down here, so nothing too crazy going to be going on. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Oh. I was wondering where that's coming from, and my phone went off. Okay, let's get the link live. I should be live. Hopefully. Copy the link. Throw it into a couple of my Discords here. So, what are we going to build today? I want to get some content into the site today, so I might start playing around with a CMS. I see Rusted already comment here. Implement Strappy or Contentful or any headless CMS this time, please. Yeah, I think I might start messing around with this stuff because, you know, it's about time. It might make it easier for me in the long run. And Praveen, welcome. How the hell are you? Let me just throw in a couple things. I'm in slow mode today, so just give me a couple minutes. I'll warm up. I will warm up. And if not, oh well. Right, let's get into this. Let me share my screen and see where we're at. We'll start this. Do I have anything up? Shouldn't be up. Don't think so. No doubt. I will very quickly, but let's share localhost. Boom. Okay. Here we are. We have this. I really want to get rid of the dates on these things as well. So pointless on these. Look at this. Reen is making the money. Story. You forgot the H in there, Colin. All right, let's see. All right, we have this nonsense now. What I did actually, to make it look a little bit better, is I took Jay's advice and I used PNGs for these instead of the gradients. But I'm still using the dates shouldn't be there at all, Colin. Don't worry. We're getting rid of the dates. Let's get rid of the dates right now. No more dates. Is there anything that shouldn't be open? No, I think we're good. Right, let's see. What's the name of this component now? Inspect. Yeah, I need to fix that key thing. Although I'll have unique keys in a minute. I don't even need it. I'll just turn the children into an array, and then I don't have to worry about that. We are off. It's Friday. Just in case you're coming in at some different time, I'm happy because it's Friday. Right, let's have a look. All right, highlights. All right, let's go in. Sections, highlights. I've added a couple of little changes just to get things. There is that. Item.date, date formatter. Be gone. Much better. No need for those dates. Today, I am having, as usual, local brews, but the only beer I had left in my fridge was a Hop House 13, so a lager made by Guinness. So that's what is on the menu today, just to get me in the feel-good mood and get my thinking hat on. All right, so we have that. That's that. Let's commit what I have here now for the moment, because what have I changed since the last day? I think I added some bits and pieces. I need to make this work on a smaller screen as well, because I noticed that this happens on the teeny tiny screens. So I do want to fix that. So yeah, I'll play around with that as well. But let's commit what I have. What branch am I on? I think I'm still on main. Yeah. Git, add that. Git commit. -m. Remove dates and add some styling. Let's say removes. I'm real semantic. And git push. And I'm going to check up on Vercel on the other side and my tab over here. Jay, I was just saying, you came in. You must have heard me saying I took an idea from you as well. I have PNGs in here now. I changed it and they look way better. So they look, you don't see the little radial circles that were coming up on it. So I'm happy with that now. But yeah, it's starting to come together. Let me see, I'm waiting for a build to happen, and then we're getting there. I would never, it's rare that you come up with something that I go, I'll steal that. No, but it looks way better now that I have the PNGs in there. Looks way more natural on all sizes. Performance of this site is awful, by the way. I need to figure out what I've done so horribly wrong. Partially the loading, I think, but we'll see. Okay, there's that. If people want to sign up to my newsletter, it's definitely going to be better than Jay's, because I'm going to steal his content and put it into mine and put my logo on it, and it'll be perfect. That's what I'll do. Let's add that. So I threw up the link in case anyone wants to look at it now live and see how broken it is. Ah, Scott, welcome. Great to have you here. Oh yeah, it's public, I think. I don't even think I hid this. I think my repo is public for this, but I'll check actually in a second, because it should be. All right, let's see. All right, we have this in there. And let's X off this. And what I will do is start seeing how to add Contentful to Next.js. I should probably start with their docs, but how and ever. Let's take a look. I think this will be like the third CMS I've looked at this week. So Bear with me. It hasn't been going well. Story block. I would, but this looks. I like the C. Looks like my Kodu C. So I'm sold. That's all it has. It's called compensating. I'm making things too big to compensate for all the other small areas in my life. That's all I'm doing. Right, create Contentful account. Cool. Add the following fields to your content model. Let's do this. Right, I'm going to do this. I'm going to create, or at least log into my Contentful account, because I know I created an account and did nothing with it. Log in. No, I'm not this account, so log out. Yeah, I think I will have to drop that. The opacity on all the cards, I think, is dropping a good bit of performance when I could just be doing RGBA. Welcome, Mr. Muna. Nice. Yeah, I'll take a look at that as well. I think I'll, yeah, I need to do some mess around with that. I also see when it renders, there's a lot of CSS stuff I copied and pasted in there and just never got rid of. So I'll worry about that once I have a blog in and it's up. But yeah, definitely need to clean it up. I wouldn't mind. I'm already bored of how it looks. So I'll probably just change the entire style setup very quickly. So I am in here. What do I do? Go into my content dashboard, go to content model. I'm just making sure that no keys pop up when I'm doing this because that's what I expect to happen, right? Maybe I'll have to throw out my account, but we'll see. We're in here. I'll zoom in so people can see stuff. Oh yeah, I get you. Yeah, going from blur. Yeah, I get you. I'm looking at it on the other screen. If people just think I'm looking off thoughtfully. No, I'm looking at this now. I'm thinking, yeah, I should drop the RGBA on that. Might look pretty cool. Okay. Let's hopefully get to some confetti here as well. What I really want to do is just be able to start adding lots of content to here. So let's get this in first. Yeah, that's what I'm just noticing is the dark text is kind of annoying, but I do like the ball coming through on it cleaner. Just for dark text, yeah. But I do like this showing up a little bit cleaner through it. So yeah, RGBA is the way to go on this. Reduce the alpha and then on the background. Ping me the post. Ping me the post. I'll reference it. I'll throw it in. I'll just put it in as people I follow or articles that you should read this week. All right. So add content type. It's now it's saying create a new content called post. Add content type. Post. And is there anything else that it's asking me to do? No. Add a field title, date, alt, image, and URL. Okay, let's do that. Okay, it's over here. Weird. Oh, okay, images. That's nice. At least it's images, because images I can fix pretty quickly. I probably have a giant logo and giant PNGs under it. So that's not surprising. Just checking over here. Oh, yes, I forgot. Okay, let me get this. I'm gonna put this up here because I want to go with this after Jay. I see, Jay, you're doing a stream with Dev next week, are you? Oh, I didn't even read. I should just go down to the last one because I know that's what I want to see here. That's so cool. I am so going to do that as well later. I love the sound effects. The audio is brilliant there. I don't know if people could hear it, but go play with that. Go on to Jay's Dev and just play with that. The sound is so satisfying. Oh, brilliant. Excellent. Okay, let's okay, we don't need that again. That's just more dates. I'm just doing the same thing twice here anyway. So get rid of that. Add a new field. Right, what are the fields? We need title, date, alt, everything's short text, okay. Title. Okay, let's create that. Create. Create. What else do we have? Image and URL. Okay. Let's see, right, that's that bit done. How do I edit this? Settings. That will annoy me later. Create API keys. Okay, so I'm going to need these tokens then to grab these bits and pieces. Okay. So I need those tokens. So use developer tool. All right. So I'm going to create those API keys, and yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen while I create those API keys because it's gonna be in here. I'm gonna create some API keys or create a new thing, grab the keys, put them in my M folder. So yeah, this will take a minute, but we'll get there. Nice. Okay. Right, let me stop sharing this for a second and go into settings. API keys. Okay, save changes. Okay, so what do we need? We need to build, like what I'm trying to do is, I did start early because I wanted to finish early today. So yeah, absolutely. How's the new PC build going? Or have you got it set up? I hope you're downloading some Apex. If anyone wants to play some rounds of Apex Legends with us tomorrow night, yeah, get that downloaded. We're going to be terrible. It's going to be great. In fact, no, I won't stream it because it will get, if there was ever something to be cancelled for, it's listening to me and how I speak when I'm playing games. So I won't, we definitely won't stream that. Okay, so we have to go in there. We have the space ID and a content delivery API token. Nice. Okay, so let's go into oh, there you go. That'll be chaos then, yeah. Yeah, tomorrow evening we're going to do a late one probably. Have some fun with that. Is it? I don't think it is. So, Tej, you may throw that into the chat so everyone can join us to play some games. I'm getting so thrown. Let's jump on to an API key. Generate a personal token. Testing my website. Okay, copy that. Let's see. Contentful. This is really boring to watch for a second because I'm just putting in my env tokens and my the secret keys I need to make sure everything's set up. So give me like 2-3 minutes of setting up these keys, and then I can go back to showing all the front end of Contentful and hooking it all up to Next.js, or trying to at least anyway. I'm getting distracted already by that. Let's grab. Okay, let's close this one out. Content delivery API. I am so converted with yeah, I'm converted with Tailwind now, totally. Okay, I think I have that access. All right, what I'm gonna do is on get up TextMate here, copy and paste in the names so I don't have to reference them again. Base ID, access, delivery. Okay, I think I have that done. Save that file, restart my server. Yarn dev. And Rust, you must have missed the start of the stream. I literally said, I mentioned you and all. I said, let's get some CMS open here today. Let's do this. So we're working on that right now. And that's why I have things off screen as I got my secrets and things lined up. So I am about to close that off. And I think I'm good to go now. I just noticed like everything's hidden again, so I can even jump back. Okay, so let's share this. Yeah, I would love to change this all to Tailwind. I probably will just change this all to Tailwind very soon, because why not? It's so cool. I'm really enjoying it. I didn't think I'd like it as much as I do now. Let's jump back into the sharing of this. So where are we at? Let's do that. And Jay actually had a sample here I want to show. Yeah, this is how I'm going to finish the card after as well. Pretty cool. I'm definitely going to use this. Look, way ahead of you, Jay. As always, way ahead of you. Okay, so what's next? We have the Space ID and Delivery API. Always. That's what I say to everyone. All right, let's go in. Let's go into next pages.js. So I need a Contentful package. Okay, so I want Contentful. Fun. Oh, welcome. Thanks for jumping in. Thank you for jumping in. Let me just work with that. So we have that then, and then what is it saying on the... I've lost my site. Okay, we've had that. Okay, we have that. Yarn dev. Components, head, blah, blah, blah. Who cares about that? So this is the stuff. The saucy stuff, I guess. So client equals homepage. So homepage is wherever I am grabbing all these highlights. Where are the highlights coming from? I'm going to pass those posts down from the root. So if we go into pages, index, so what did I have these named? Next public space ID, next public Contentful X so token. I'm not sure which tokens. So this may or may not work. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, we'll use state, we'll grab the posts. Get static props. I have all this already, so client.fetch entries, async function. Let's just throw it in here for the moment. Async function there. Const post, use effect. Copy pasting like a king. Use state and use effect from React. And what I'm going to do is, yeah, we'll just console log out the posts because I'm guessing yeah, look, Jay is trying to derail this. I think I'm probably going to rewrite this blog loads of times because I had a personal project for this, and I have another project that I'm working on as well that I might use Storyblock for. But I'm using Contentful for a customer's app at the moment, and I wanted to learn it a bit better. But I'm also going to be using Storyblock for another customer's app, so I also need to learn that better. So either way, I have two CMSs I have to learn. No, you're not. Truth between the jokes, I think. Okay, let's save this and jump over to the site. Okay, so expected access Okay, so I probably grabbed the wrong thing. Let's put this in. Interesting. Let's go to the Contentful docs here because this does not like this. Space ID. So can I do this? No, it does not like that. So is it an object? It might not let me do this at all, but I'm just playing around. See. All right, let's go back. Wasn't that broken before? Oh, well. If I spelled it correctly. Nice. I broke it totally. That's always good. I haven't. I was playing with Strappy, Contentful, and Storyblock this week. But yeah, Sanity's next. Will I just turn this off and go to Sanity so I have 4 of them? How many headless CMSs can there be? Jay, maybe we should just build a headless CMS as a business. That'll be... Since everyone wants a headless CMS, we can make one that blows confetti every time you do something. You press a keystroke, boom. My other CMS, which I'm using the Spark website at the moment, is Strappy because I could host it myself and I have control over it. So that's the only reason I liked Strappy, is because it's open source. Okay, so this doesn't like whatever I am doing. So I am obviously missing an ID here. Content delivery API access token. Yeah, that's what I want. Copy. Let's hide me for a minute while I put this in. Okay, so this does not like what I'm doing at all. Right, let's jump back in. Let me put my screen back up. So what does it not like? I'm guessing this isn't even coming in, is it? Not even allowed to do that. Can I put it in here though? And if I abandon this, okay, so that's not a thing. Okay, so that's just not doing anything. Interesting. Okay, so let's get back over. That's this. So it's saying do this. Let me just copy this because I might need that in a second. Copying it exactly as it said. Expected parameter access token. So that's better, I guess. Okay, so it's saying I don't have that the stuff isn't coming through. So what I'm going to do is hide my screen and console log out these things. So let's process.env. I'm not mixing up something here. I probably have a typo in the process or something. Process.env. Interesting. Ah, okay. I bet you I have a funny feeling that it's just because the client. Yeah, I'll get the errors now up for you, Praveen, as well. And Mr. Paul, welcome. You can fight over it, Praveen. So I am guessing that if I Okay. So now I know what's going on. So it's because it's not reading the end variables on the front end for some reason. So, which is fine, because in reality, what I want to do is I'll probably want to so if I can get this start dumping this stuff into get all posts. Nice. Okay. I got something. It's silly, but it's something. Okay, so we got all the new posts. So what I needed to do was, because it's in Node land, I don't have like a JSN thing or like a front end env thing. What I need to do is fetch it in Node land. So like when I use something like get static props or get server side props, I can start to use some Node functionality like read file system or whatever else. So now I couldn't use the process by default for some reason inside of everywhere else. But yeah, it's it's working now a little bit, I guess. So we got somewhere. Let's go to the content model. Let's see what else we have to get. So we have this. Use effects and initial load with this post attributor mapped over replace post JS with phone content. So where are all those posts coming from? That's what I want to know. Why do I have 37 posts? Nice. How is WordPress treating you? I will always, once you get half decent at that, I always know loads of people that need WordPress developers and help with WordPress. So please let us know and I will send some people your way. Oh, confidence. Let's have a WordPress off. WordPress off, whatever that means. Okay, so we have this p alt fields. I'm not figuring out why is this getting that. I feel like that's grabbing everything. click the add post button to create a new create button. Okay, yeah, we'll say. So next, in the content tab, well, this could have helped us anyway. So this is all the stuff that it's finding clearly. So yeah, 37 entries, and guess what I'm getting in the front end? 37 items. Ah, okay. So it's like Create React app where they had that kind of open one nearly. Nice. That's a really good tip, Jay. I was wondering why that wouldn't work. I've gotten around it now, and I knew like I'd need it inside where it is anyway, because I'm going to do all this fetching beforehand anyway and do it statically. Yeah, Create React app had that, didn't they? They had like create React underscore or something. So we have that. We have that. Let's unpublish all these. Now, if I refresh this, new post is empty. So let's add an entry, which will be a post. My great post. Alt is, it's a really good post. This should definitely not, should be a date. So I'm going to actually go back to my content model before I create this and go into my post. And what will I do? I will settings. I'm going to delete this. We'll call this publish date. Okay, let's create that. Settings. Interesting. Settings. Can I add images here? Let's add a new field type. Yeah, I can do images here. Let's try that. So, media, cover image. Let's create that. Nice. Okay. Oh, Sid, welcome aboard. Yeah, it makes sense when I thought about it. Like once Node was taken out of the equation, I realized I needed something else to grab it. So prefix error. Finding we're talking about WordPress here. Finding plugins can be rough, and yeah, most people have too many plugins. Then I still haven't got around to Vue. Chris Dixon, in fairness, if you're trying to learn Vue, check out Chris Dixon's course on Vue. I really want to do his course on Vue. I really need to learn it. Are you self-opening fonts? Google Cache doesn't. I am not right now. I will, though. You're right, Alex. That's something I need to do. There's always loads of things. Always loads of things for me to optimize here. My site is not optimized at all. I just want to get content up there. I want to be the ability to send out stuff to people. So let me get this out. Okay, let's save this. And then we can write some content, add an entry, post, title, a really great post. So this is going to be the slug really. So we'll say the moment anyway. What date is it? The 5th of March. Okay, I was highlighted. At 1802. You'll remember when this went down. And I have no body in this even. I'm going to create an entire new I'm doing a captcha test over here, so this could take a minute. There's no bicycles, that's a motorbike. Oh, got a preview of what I was gonna get on here. Let me just add new media. Why is that being so weird? So let's have a look to see description in English, description in German. I don't know why there is a German thing. Brown puppy. Brown puppy. Okay, that's why. Publish. Okay, a really great post has been successfully added. Okay, that was more painful than I thought it would be. Oh, Paul, where have you been? That was hilarious. Okay, so we have that. That's published. So if I refresh, new post has an array, fields, nice. Okay, so I have some data in here now. So that means I should be able to get a post displaying. I'm going to put in a new posts here for a second. And in index, we're going to say new posts equals new posts. Pass that down to highlights. And in the highlights, I should be able to so then in my new posts, or in my highlights, so let's say new posts. Item.field title, item.field I guess URL for the moment, because zero fields. Okay, nice. Okay, so that worked, which means I just need to set up a new one that's actually correct, because that did not all the stuff I wanted, or not in the format that I'd like. So let's unpublish that. And let's write some content, or let's create a content model again. What time are we at? Yeah, I'll do another half hour. Let's blog posts. Yeah, let's call this personal site posts. Title. Okay, so that should be created, and then how many characters is in what's currently there? Here's a long one, say. No. Is that what I'm calling it even? Oh, it's excerpt. I don't know why I call them blurbs. Excerpt. So I know that's quite a long one. Okay, I think I can do that with a short. All right, let's create that. Image. Body. And how does this work actually? Settings. How is it being sent back, I wonder? I'm going to find out. Incremental static generation, I haven't yet. No, I'm just not on this one anyway. I'm just going to try and get some posts running first. Tags. Tags. What else do I need on this? Let's go on and look at my. I know the author. Maybe I'll have a different OG. So let's add OG image. Create. Slug. Create. Do I have everything covered? Cover image, excerpt, title, body. Is there anything else I could need here? Who knows, probably. Put that in there. Actually, I should put in some code as well. That in for now. Add media. This should be a really exciting post. Check it out. There is a puppy. Ooh, that's a nice idea. I like that. We're talking about incremental bills here, so that's a smart idea as well. I might do that in the near future as well. Tags, JS. We'll say dogs, JavaScript, web. Well, I wouldn't CSS as well. Just let's see how these work. Add existing media. Let's put this as a puppy as well. Slug is the test pupper. Kind of take a bit of the content there. Now, this should break, all going well, because I've changed things. And the only thing that's the same here is the title. So in here we have new posts, cover image, the man is already upselling SEO services because he's been doing WordPress for a couple of months. That's a natural look. WordPress is a gateway drug to start a marketing agency for sure. Yeah, that's actually an interesting idea though, to have the latest things always coming in. So this one looks closer to what I want because yeah, there's just a lot more going on. So let's why am I looking at the node modules? I'm just half asleep now, so it doesn't help. Highlights. Excerpt. Nice. Okay, so that's working. So now what I need to do is create the pages to see what they look like. So how are the pages being generated at the moment? Refresh myself. Get all posts, index API. Ah, yeah, there, it's in the slugs. Here we go. This is where I need to start messing now with getting this stuff back up and running. So what I need to do is now, instead of the other stuff, I need to create. It's not Markdown, is it? What way does the body come in for this? I think it's just dangerously set in our HTML, isn't it? So feels that body. Okay, so how does Contentful posts? Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is what you're doing. You're grabbing this. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's try this. So they have a rich text renderer. Let's have some water. We're doing good. Get post by slug. Get post by slug is real slug. No, we're not going to do all that. We're going to just OG post image URL. Okay, so get static paths. Posts equal get all posts. Okay, so I should be just able to get all the posts and things and not worry about all this stuff. So what do we need to do? We need to So going on here, get post by slug, and then what content we want to. So What's coming in here? Okay, so Markdown, post content. Okay, so this is where I'm going to do my thingy. So I'm going to try and mimic a lot of this. Get static props. Get static paths. So we need to get all posts. It's a really weird. This always confuses me now. I have to kind of go around a little roundabout my head and think get all posts is going to be get post slugs. Posts equals slugs, slugs dot maps, maps, slug fields. It's using file system. Order my food. Let's have a look. So yeah, I just need to fetch everything. But I do like the way they're doing that. They're sorting by date, and that's what I need to do as well. So I think even if I can get all posts in here, and from there, sort things out. Right, I'm ordering my food because that will cause me to figure out what I'm doing. I am going to be bad, Paul, again. I had it last week as well. I had Supermax and it was really good. I'm going to have it again. It's the best thing ever. You know, it's the only reason you should visit the island. Forget the Guinness. Just come over for Supermax. That's all you want. Son of Troy, how's it going? How are you? Get post logs. So what we're going to do is get all the data from in that function and send it back out. And then we'll figure out get all posts. Get post slugs. Get post by slug. I don't think I need all that at all. I think I can just send stuff back a different way. So let's, in the index, where is my function to get all entries? Contentful, fetch entries. Await the fetch entries. So we'll just call this new post. Yeah, I'll figure it out in a second because that's the old stuff. So there's the new posts. I'm gonna fetch the entries and the paths. Post dot fields dot slug. So getting all the posts, it should be a function. Okay, so let's const async function post get Contentful. Oh, export async function get Contentful posts and return posts. So that is that. And now we should be able to say Paul, you don't usually make it so easy. I won't make any inappropriate jokes this time. This is your one opportunity for me not to make the desserts joke or the desserts that she's getting in Dublin from the Irish lads, I guess. No, it's too late. It's too late. Yeah, come and let me know, and then I'll leave the city for a while just to annoy you. Yeah, no, come. We'll go to poutine bars and drink lots of poutine. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so let's const new post equals await get Contentful posts. Okay, post that feels as looks. Nothing broke. Okay, that's a good start. Let's get rid of this. We're going to start slowly pulling away these things. Yeah, it'd be great. It would be great to actually get to meet people after all this chaos, though, because it's been so weird just not being able to talk to people as humans, in person. Because I didn't do anything online until COVID hit. So where are the slugs coming in anyway? Get static paths. That's the slug. The slug comes in. So let's go back to here. Get post by slug. Spent a lot of time PHP, MVC structure, trying to wrap my head around Laravel. Nice. I've been wanting to take a look at that recently. I've seen a few projects come up with it, and it looks pretty decent. Paul, I'm happy to see you online all the time. Don't worry. Don't worry. It is harsh. It is harsh. Okay, so no, I don't care. I want to get all the data back. I don't really care about anything else. So get post by slug, params, slug. That's all the things. So I should be able to say content await. Get static props. The params coming in, console log params. Nice. I didn't say anything. I'm being sound. Don't blame me for that. Grab this. So I want to get post by slug. I don't really want that anymore, because all that is doing is reading the content, data and content, passing that back out. So get static props is not going to work here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say document. We'll find that in a second. So what we need is const I love the connection here between these two comments. But, you know, if it isn't chaos, it isn't doing anything. Oh, cool. Interesting. Yeah, it's tough, but it's the best way to learn. Best way to learn. So new posts, what do we have in here? So we want to filter out the posts by, get post by slug. So we want to filter out, so what do we have in here in the post? So I'm going to open up on the side here just to make it easier. So the post is going to equal the slug, params.slug. So post const new post equals, what's it going to equal? It's going to be, the new post is going to be new posts dot filter, I guess. We're going to give that in the post. And we want to get new posts will have all the posts. So we're going to say the post is return post dot fields dot slug equals params dot slug. New post of fields and body is going to equal the new post dot fields dot body. I was here before. Yeah, that's fine. Don't need that. We don't need that. So we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. All right. I don't think I will get to finish this because I have this stuff is going to be here soon. But let's see, where can we get API.js? I don't even think we're doing that anymore. So in this, get all posts. It'll be a miracle if this works straight out the gate. Okay, yeah, okay, so all posts is not defined. Okay, so posts.map doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so the slug isn't working. And I have no idea why, but item that feels that slug. Okay. Feels slug. Nice. Okay. Right. Because my food is here, I'm going to leave, but I will continue this maybe tomorrow morning or that as well, just to try and finish this off because it's very close. But basically, I just need to finish. Can't read body of undefined. Feels the body. Okay, so hold on. Feels body. All right. Yeah, jump into the Discord. The Discord is where to grab all the links and things. I have to run because it's dinner time for me, and I better go outside and pay the delivery driver. It'd be nice of me. So, guys, until a little bit later, all I have to do is get the body added through here, and I have a full CMS set up. I'm really excited about progress today, and I will see you soon. Bye.